Question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term. This question is very important. So this one AP is given. They are saying find the 20th term from the last. So you can adopt this one method. You can reverse this AP 253, difference of 5, 248, 243, and at last you can write is the same AP, means opposite you will take. Here A equal 253, D 248 minus 253 minus 5, D become minus 5. They are saying 20th term from the end, but if opposite we will take starting 20th term. 20th term means A plus 19D. A become 253. 19 into minus 5. 253 plus minus minus 95. 253 minus 95. 8. 14 minus 9. 5. 158 is your answer. Now see last question of this exercise, question number 20. Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by ₹1.75. If the nth week her weekly savings become ₹20.75, find the value of n. So you can start with according to question. In Ramkali starts with 5. In first week 5. Then increase by ₹1.75. 5 plus 1.75, 6.75. Then 6.75 plus 1.75, then it become 8.50. Like this, she will continue. At last her saving become ₹20.75. You can write is the required AP. Again I am explaining this one, why this one AP become. She start with 5, then 1.75 add to 5, 6.75 become. Again 1.75 if you will add, then this one become. Like this, at last her saving become 20.75. They are saying find the value of n. Here A equal 5, D you know 6.75 minus 5, 1.75, and An equal to 20.75. An means A plus n minus 1 into D, 20.75. A 5, and we don't know. D 1.75, 20.75. 5 you will take on that side. 1.75, 20.75 minus 5, n minus 1 equal to 15.75 upon 1.75. N minus 1 equal to 1575, 175 into 100 into 100. Why this one 100? Because here decimal, so in denominator. This one cancel with this. Now you can cancel this with this, then it will go with 9. y9 175 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 4, 9 7s are 63 and 4 67, 15. So n equal 9 plus 1, n equal 10 is our answer. So student, complete this one exercise in your fair notebook and work on examples also. Again I am saying, first of all you will work hard for NCERT only.